So we are about to walk around the walking street, or what we call Fields Avenue, right? Okay, let's go. So this is the Fields Avenue.
Everybody just do your thing. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
100 meters away from our hotel?
I think so.
Yeah, something like that. About 5 meters away. 500 meters away, I'm sorry. So this is just the street. Very nice. Store here. Let's just check how is it. In this time, actually this time is 400 feet. It's around 4:54 in the afternoon. So actually they're just open around 4 o'clock in the afternoon or 3 until 4 or 5 a.m. So yeah, let's check how is it. There are lots of stores left and right. Yeah, stores left and right. So much to buy around here. So it looks like Divisoria as well. It's like Divisoria. Everything is here. Look at that. Especially the other side. Looks like in Quiapo also in Manila. So there's also Jollibee there. And then cafe. Of course, cafe. Pharmacy. Another store here. There, this one is a nice one. Store. Hotel. This area is quite busy. Yep. Quite busy. Clubs. This one is music lounge. Insomnia Music Lounge. There's another bar there. Store. Restaurants. Yes. Also the other side. This one is also bar. Bar. Party. There are lots of stores, small stores here on the other side. Left side and on the right side, it's all bars. Bars. This one is SS bar. SS bar. Soya. Nice nightclubs. Oh. This one is nice too. That one is Skytrax Super Club. Nice club. Korean restaurants. You almost can see now that this is a Korean restaurant. Choi Janggan. Okay, this one is a hotel. Luxury Care Hotel. And this one. This bar. Actually, this is perfect for the sports. Actually, every morning, especially in the morning, 8 a.m., they are watching basketball. And this area is one Invi Bistro Sports Suites. This one's quite big too. Yeah, for different sports here. So this is the walking street. Walking street. Walking street. This is one. This is quite big. So we're here at the entrance of the walking street.
You film in places.
Yeah. I like the two bars there.
Keep filming in places.
Huh?
Keep filming in places.
In places.
Cannot film in places.
Sorry. BC Club Stars. This one is BC Street now. This one is nice. Look at the dollhouse. K-pop Lounge PTV. Q-bar. Owl's Nest, Avalon, Geek Halls. What is that? Massage 24 hours. That one's like, expensive. Kokomo. You can actually walk here, right? In the middle. Okay, different bars. Bad Boy Bar. Grand Central. This one is nice too. Angeles Viking. Skyfall. Grand Central. Ah, this was newly. They just launched this. Madonna. Cosplay. Genesis. Sweetie, can I?
Huh?
Thank you. So it's nice too. It's all block. Look at that. Looks like in Thailand, right? Bakara. This one looks like in Thailand. It's nice there. The whole building is amazing. Level 3. Whole building is amazing. January 13 bar. Gold Moon Bar. Balbago Hotel. Balibago Hotel, yeah. Sensations. Yeah. Sensations. Sensations. Ah, there's a horse here.
Yeah.
Nice. Gossip. Dragon. This is nice. Cafe. Aura Bar. This is nice. Aura bar. This is walk around guard. Walk around. This one is quite big too. This one is Paradise. Welcome to Paradise. This one is the Fiesta. Fiesta. We can just walk back again, right?
Sure.
Okay, they're closing. So yeah, they actually have a schedule here. Okay, so let's check this one. Let's check this one. So yeah, this one gate close at 3:30 p.m. open 4 a.m. Yeah, so from here they just close it. So cars are not allowed inside before or around 3:30. So yeah, after this one, that's all. That's all from the walking street. There are different kinds of clubs. How is it? How is it?
Hot.
Huh?
Hot.
It's hot, right? Okay, let's go.